How's it going, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I just wanted to say a few things before we begin today's video. So if you don't want to hear any of this, that's fine. I'll have in the bottom of the video where to skip to, and we'll get straight to the content. No talking, nothing. And I just want to say thank you to everybody for the 400 subscribers. I really appreciate y'all. I didn't think my channel would grow this much, and this is truly a blessing. You know, this is crazy. I checked my channel just today, and I'm sitting at 400 and something. You know, and it's a little mind blowing, but. I hope my content is it helps you guys if you're looking for some things to work on and fix. I really do appreciate that from you guys. So thank you for checking out the channel and subscribing, commenting, liking. It all, you know, I'm just a small channel. I'm a nobody. I just want to say the second thing. Happy holidays to everybody. May God bless you and your family this holiday season. It's been a tough year for sure, but you know, I'm really thankful that you know, we're all still kicking. So, I mean, without further ado, that's really all I had to say to you guys. Thank you for everything, and here's today's video. How's it going, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. So, today we're gonna be, well, let me explain this to you. Just let me physically show you what's going on. So, truck is on, and look at this. The tachometer, you know, the directionality and weather does not work. So, no matter how many times I click the button, nothing pops up. So yeah, we're gonna fix that today. Pretty much you're just gonna need a soldering iron and you're gonna need a screwdriver, pretty much. So we're gonna take this whole thing apart. It just pops right out. So we're gonna go in. We are going to unscrew this little Phillips head screwdriver. It's tucked up in your glasses holder. Oh. Hope you can see that. There's a Phillips head screwdriver that goes right into this yellow tab. They're just all pop tabs, so you got this pop tab and this pop tab. So now what we're gonna hit are these two connectors. Alright guys, so we got this all laid out. We're gonna wanna go for the computer, which will be right in here. And then we're gonna need to get some Torx drivers, and we're gonna need to take this, and this assembly will pop out. You're gonna need like the smallest Torx bit. You have the whole cluster out. We're gonna have to carefully pop these tabs, 4 of them, and basically just easily just take off this crap. It's very delicate, so we need to be very careful. Alright guys, I don't know if you could see this. It kind of took me a little bit. So you know, here is the face of what you're looking at. We're looking at these little 510s. I don't know how well my GoPro can pick this up, but the solder on this connection is split. We're gonna flick on the truck. We got it. Yeah, we did it. Let's get back on everything. So we're gonna put on the little tint glass first. Pop in the tabs carefully. For my sake, these wires, I took them out and undid them a little bit. After doing this job, I did not think that was necessary, but yeah, this is the little clip that it goes around, then it wraps around this little freaking leg right here. Put them in by hand first. You don't want to strip this out. So like just back thread it really quick until it seats. Alright guys, let's go put this back in the truck. Alright guys, back in the truck. Yeah, I was an idiot when I pulled this thing out. Do not do what I do. And yeah, I have to somehow figure out how to put this back on. I think I need to recrimp them or something like that. So my map lights aren't gonna work for a little bit. That's fine, I need to figure that out. Okay, so you have these little arms. The little arms are gonna go in first. And then we are going to line it up and take your Phillips and your Phillips head screw. We're gonna run it into that little yellow tab like I was saying. And there you have it, folks. Anyways, you guys, that's it for the video today. I thank you guys for watching. That was a lot easier than I thought. I thought it'd be a lot harder. I've never soldered in my life, so that wasn't bad. I do have a feeling that my solders weren't 100% correct, but I will keep an eye on that later on. We'll see how the solders sit, but for now, I'm really happy that the weather gauge is fixed, and I need to go through and fix that thing for the map lights, so my lights can turn on. So other than that, you guys, thank you for watching. I hope this video helped you. I hope that you're learning how to fix stuff yourself, because with the way technology is going, you can barely do that anymore. So, all right, you guys, thank you for watching. Have a good day and happy holidays.